All right, step 2 to getting a 500 or higher on the MAP SAT is knowing and applying the equation y equals to mx plus b. So we like to use linear models in real life to predict things. And it was funny, just a few weeks ago, I have a 5-year-old daughter. At my 5-year-old daughter's birthday party, I was talking with somebody who does a lot of data work on health insurance, and they said that they spend their time working with models that use the simple equation that is based off of y equals mx plus b. So you want to kind of be looking at what m stands for and what b stands for. So m is slope, and b is the y-intercept. So the slope is just simply your change of y over the change in x. So if y, for instance, is test scores and x is the amount of time studying, an elegant way of describing slope would be change in test scores over the change in the amount studied. And then your b is the y-intercept or initial value. So in the real world, if you're going to be majoring in science or social science, you'll be dealing a lot with like linear data, but there'll be computer programs that are going to compute the slope, but it's going to be your job to explain what the slope means. Let's take a look at an SAT question that kind of involves this. So this is your classic linear scatter plot interpretation question. And we have a impact of maybe colleges, winning percentages, and the average yearly salary of their head coaches. And the question is, what does the slope of 8.42 mean? So when we see the word slope, we're looking at change of. So we're looking at change of y over change in x. So this is change of winning percentage over change of salary. So if we look at like A and B, nothing's really changing. It says that the average winning percentage was 8.42%. So we can pretty quickly eliminate those answer choices. C says on average, each $1 million increase in salary was associated with an 8.42 point increase in winning percentage. Versus on average, each 1 point increase in winning percentage is associated with an $8.42 million increase in salary. So it does give us that the slope is 8.42. So that's our change in winning percentage. And it's 8.42 over 1. So what this is saying is that it's a 8.42 change of winning over a $1 million increase in salary. Therefore, it would be that answer choice. We might also see questions like, how do we interpret the y-intercept? The y-intercept would be the predicted amount. So that's actually something important. Predicted. The pink line is not actual, it's predicted. If the salary is 0. So we could actually use this and even think about what would be of a winning percentage if we paid a college coach $5 million. And we could see that winning percentage, that red line would be a little bit over 80 in winning percentage.